To get two WhatsApps at once in Realme Note 60, first you will need to download the WhatsApp app on your phone. So it's just downloading right now, and let's wait till it's finished. Now if we go back to our home screen, there's a WhatsApp right there, but it's the only one app. And we want to clone it, and we can do it by opening our phone manager settings, scroll down, and look for the app cloner. Now right here on the list you should be able to find the WhatsApp. You can click on this plus button, give it a while, and then you will see that the WhatsApp is cloned. Now when we go back to our home screen, there's a WhatsApp and WhatsApp number 2. You can open one of them, add a different number, and on the second one you can do the same thing with a different number, and that way you'll get two different WhatsApps on one phone.